Hey guys, good morning. I just wanted to update you guys on another play that I did. This one I actually didn't tell anybody about. I just kind of took it myself. I saw the chart. I looked at the breakout, and I actually bought an option for this. This one actually came recommended from a really good buddy of mine on TikTok. I'll keep him private just because he chose to kind of stay private and stuff. But me and him talk a lot back and forth about certain plays that we like and stuff. And he definitely sends me a lot of tickers my way just to kind of look at, and I do it back and forth, right? But he suggested this play. I looked at the chart, and I did see it kind of consolidate, and I knew that it was going to break out. I looked at the TA, and I'm like, you know what, this is going to be a really good play. I actually took the call myself. I bought the options. I am up about 76% on these two contracts that I bought. If on Monday we do shoot up again, I do expect for Blackline to go all the way up to a little, maybe 130 something. But I do fully expect for this to hit 125, at least on my technical analysis that I created like a day or two ago before I bought this. I fully expect this to run to like over 130. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on another play that I did recently. Up 76%. I'm probably going to sell one contract on Monday if it does cross over the 125 strike, and the other contract I'm just kind of let it ride, right? So it'll basically be free. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on one more thing that I did. Blackline is, I've been looking at the company. It's actually really, really good. It's been doing extremely well. So if you guys, as far as like long-term investment or options, I am extremely bullish on this company. So any dips that you guys can see like here, or any dip that you see like, like November 9th or just the consolidation right here, I strongly recommend, maybe looking at this into yourself, doing your own research. And if you guys like the company, you guys like what they do, then, start buying, options or shares or whatever. But as far as a long-term investment, this is definitely great. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.